the lesson today. So quickly, I decided that I'll we'll be able to lay our hands on a project. So I started working on something that that I want us to achieve by Sunday, which is going to be the last day for this training section. So I want to simply encourage you guys to be dedicated. Don't get discouraged. Walk through every lessons, and you'll be able to achieve exactly what I will be able to achieve in every lessons and videos that I send to the group. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to drop your reaction. If you don't understand anything, please do not hesitate to drop that your challenges on the platform. I will be more than happy to reply you. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you like the videos, and also you can as well drop your comments as regards to how interesting and how explanatory each lesson is to you. By doing this, you encourage us, and you have paid for this service as well. And not only that, you will have also helped thousands of people who are also might be interested in this kind of training to also be able for the video to get across to them. So here is a little project that I just started, and I look forward to completing it before Sunday. And all every materials that I'm going to use to develop this one a single page website is going to be made available to you, so that you can just replicate it and just customize it with your own details. Here I have the address, here I have the email contact, the phone number. Here is the logo. I just use text as the logo. You can put your own logo here. You can put this the name of my company, so I just put it here. So welcome to Digital Success Reactor. This could be your image, okay? And I've just started, I've not completed it, but I can assure you that you can actualize this same task, and you will be able to you know carry it out. So once you click on this, you can see it takes you back to this, and you can just a one-page website like that, and you'll be able to achieve this. I can assure you of that. I'm going to show you step by step how I actualize every stage of it, and everything that I've been teaching you from the beginning of this class are all that will be applicable in developing all of these things. So please don't get discouraged. I want you to follow me to the end, and you will not regret that you joined this lesson. At the end of this class, subsequent class I'm going to do like this is going to be a paid class. Going to be a paid class. So I encourage you all to take advantage of this. If you are to develop this website, it's going to cost you few thousands. So, but this is you doing it yourself, getting a free resources. Why not jump on the van and just take advantage of it? All right, I won't say that quickly. Let's go to today's job. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to how you can insert images on your um, web page. How you can insert images on your web page. So that's what I'm quickly going to talk about today. Please, as you're watching the video, do not forget to drop your comment. Okay, but before you add image to your website, don't forget that at the beginning of this class we created an image file, okay, folder rather. And this is not it. Let me close this. Let me go back to our page. Okay, so we have it like this. So this is the image file. So that image folder is the folder we have created to store all the images that we'll be using for this website. So I'm just going to I'm going to copy an image right now into that folder so that I can make use of it. All right, so I think I have list of I have a folder that I store different pictures. Okay, so I'm going to let me pick this one. I'm going to copy this right now. I'm going to copy this right now. Copy, and I'll go back to the desktop. I'll select the web project. Okay, copy and paste this here. So I encourage you to rename the image with something just short. So I'll just write pics, something short, pics. Okay, Now, one thing you must realize here, you must know the exact format of your picture. Very, very important. So I over on this now, you can see the item type is JPG. So please take note of that as you will need it. Okay. All right, good. So to insert image on your page, you're going to use what we call the image tag. Okay, the image tag will help you do that. Okay, image tag is given like this, as simple. And you can see our sublime text already suggests for us. So just choose it. Now you can see that this image tag does not have a close tag. So like I said in our previous lesson, it is referred to as an empty tag. Okay, good. So, and you can see that this tag, this image tag comes with an attribute, which is src. Src is short form for source. So that is trying to say, where do you want to get your image from? So now don't forget that the image was placed inside the image folder, which we tag as img. So that is where we want to get the image. So you're going to type the name of the folder first, img forward slash. So this, the forward slash is trying to, is a redirectory symbol. So what it's saying is that what the browser will say is that once I get to the folder, where should I go? Go inside the folder, and once I get inside the folder, what should I look for? Look for, you now type the name of the image dot the image format. In this case, it is JPG. Please, very important, you do that. Control S to save. Go back to your browser and refresh. So let me close this. So I'm going to check it now. So let me view this in my browser. Wow, can you see? So the image is there. You can as well resize the image if you want it. Okay, so you can come here and say set width to 500 and set height also to 500. Okay, Control S to save, and you can refresh. You can see that's reduced. All right, so let's further reduce it to, let's say, 100, and this would be let's say 100 as well. Control S. Okay, this is just to reduce the size. You know the kind of size that you want. Okay, so let me try and do something like this first. Okay, so you have the image. So that's the image there, and that's pretty much how to add image. Now you can do some other things, like I want the, by default, every content you put in your HTML will align to the what's it called, we align to the left. So we can align the center just using the center tag. Okay, you don't forget, I also said that this is an example of nesting that I mentioned in my previous class. You can see that this image tag is inside the center tag. However, the center tag is the first to be open but the last to be closed. The only difference now is that the tag inside is an empty tag, so that's why it's looking like this. Okay, so you save, go back to your browser and refresh. You can see it is at the center. So pretty much that is how you can add image on your website. Okay, so you can practice as many as possible if you want. Okay, so I see you in the next class. God bless you.